takeoff.
Yes. Then once I'm up in the air, do I remain at full power?
No.
Why?
You're gonna waste the fuel.
Okay, that's one thing. Another thing is when you're turning, if you're charging at full power, the aircraft is going to turn from a country to another country. Okay, so basically a very big turning circle. So, if, for example, my parents, when they drive, okay, when they come into a turn, do they slow down?
Yeah.
Same thing. Okay, so it's because the centripetal force is forcing the aircraft out of the turn. That's why you need to slow down to fly. Okay, the best maneuvering speed of the aircraft is 300 to 350 knots. Remain around there, you'll do very well. Okay? So where we're going to fly is San Francisco. We're going to take off from runway 28, right?
Yeah.
And then we're going to fly straight, make a right turn up the coast. And then over here there's a Golden Gate Bridge. I want you to fly through first, and then if you can, at this point in time, you can fly under it. Okay, as you continue flying straight, passing Alcatraz, you'll fly down south. Okay, there's another very long bridge over here that's connecting San Fran and Oakland together. You can fly under the bridge before we come in for landing at Comfort Rental. This is an F-22 base.
Oh.
Okay? So a very short flight, you can do a multiple places. Okay, more instructions first. So in front of you, the yoke, if you pull it back towards yourself slightly, what's going to happen to the aircraft? What's going to happen to the aircraft if you pull it back slightly?
If you pull it back slightly, I think you're gonna go, what you call it again? I forgot.
Pitch up.
Pitch up.
Then if you push it forward, it's going to go down. Okay, show me how do you turn the aircraft. Okay, so instead of doing that, what I want you to do is left and a little bit of back.
Oh, I forgot,
okay?
yeah.
Right and a little bit of back. So just very small mini controls will do because it's very sensitive. Later when you fly, you will feel it. Okay, so in front of us, this is called the HUD, the heads-up display. There's the airspeed display on the left, and then on the right, 0020, this is your height. Altitude. Okay, so this little circle in the middle, this is your aim point, or basically your flight path marker. It shows you your aircraft flight path. That little circle is aiming towards a building, what should you do? Right. If a little circle is aiming towards a building, what should you do?
Get out of the way.
Yeah, fly away. So basically manipulate that little circle away from the building. Okay? Okay, so the rotation speed of the aircraft is 140 knots. At 140, you want to slowly rotate off the ground. Positive rate, help you put your flaps and gears up, and then you want to reduce your throttle to try to maintain 300 to 350. Any questions?
None.
None. Okay, so I got some questions. What's this?
I forgot what it's called.
It's the rudder pedals of the aircraft. Okay, so this is to maintain the center line. If you put your right leg forward, left leg back, aircraft is gonna yaw towards right leg forward, left leg back. Aircraft is gonna yaw towards the right. Okay, if you do the opposite direction, now this leg forward, then it's gonna go towards the left. Okay, whichever side that you press forward is the direction that you're gonna turn to. Okay, okay, and the top over here, this is your parking brake. This is your brakes. Okay, when do you need a brake? When you're landing. Okay, so make sure you press it equally. If you don't press it equally, your aircraft is gonna veer towards the direction that you press more. Okay, you sure?
Yes.
No question? You don't see inside? Good trick first, good trick. Yeah, are you inside the cockpit?
Yes, I am.
Can you see my hands?
Yes.
Okay, so whenever you're ready, I want you to put your left hand on the throttle. And then let's go full power.
Logan, faster. Why are you so slow?
I know what to do. So what's this? Please, I fly for this. That's my 50. Yes. They don't argue with them, like, that's not true. Then when okay, remember what's the speed that you must maintain at? So when you see the fighter pilots flying, right, do they fly with one hand or two hands?
I forgot.
Okay, one hand. hand, okay? Left hand on the power. Okay, so you want to power back. Right? I want you to fly right. Just now, do you fly under the bridge? Just now there was the Golden Gate Bridge, right?
Yes.
Do you fly past it?
Yeah.
Do you fly under it? Don't have. Okay, never mind. Will you fly back towards the Golden Gate Bridge first? Okay, do a left turn.
Left turn. Left. Left.
Okay, airspeed maintain 350 knots. Okay, can you read your airspeed for me?
My airspeed 5.
Ah,
Oh. 100.
okay, that's the reason why your turning circle is very big and it's very hard for you to control. Okay, so as kids, do we learn to run first or do we learn to walk first?
We went to walk.
Ah, exactly. Okay, so when we learn to walk first, we get our basics done, then we can run faster. Okay, so now can you feel that you're controlling your aircraft better now?
Yes.
Okay, very gentle and very smoothly, right? Okay, the bridge that I told you about just now, in front of us, this is the bridge that's connecting San Fran to Oakland. So what I want you to do is fly at a low level close to the bridge.
Lower level.
Okay, descend your altitude to maybe 1,000 feet. Okay, stabilize. You're doing good. Okay, so that little circle, right? I want you to put it under the bridge. Okay, pay attention to your height. Just slightly under the bridge. We do yes, very good. More than that. Okay, your speed is a little bit higher. Let's reduce a bit. Okay, continue. Very nicely done. See, it's this simple. Okay, so now the next one, you will need to do it by yourself. Okay, it's the one on your left. Okay, you see the Golden Gate Bridge on your left. Okay, you have control all by yourself. You see the island in front of you?
Yes.
That's Alcatraz.
The right.
Oh, on the right now.
The right. The right.
Okay, that is Alcatraz. It's a prison. Push your nose down. See? It's so simple, right? Okay. More challenge. Okay, now let's climb to 10,000 feet. Okay, do you know how to read the heading bar in front of you?
Heading bar.
Okay, can you read the numbers on top? There's a few set of numbers, right?
Yes.
20240. Wait up. 230240250. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, that's your heading. What I want you to do is climb to 10,000 feet and make a left turn to heading 100.
Alright.
Okay, increase more power, yes. So do you notice that as you climb higher, right, you'll be able to see a larger plot of land but lesser details. Okay, so in the bombing run, if you're flying a fighter jet in the future, you understand that it's very easy for you to select a bigger picture or bigger landmark, and slowly you want to pinpoint to where you actually want to hit.
Now we reach 10,000.
Okay, now let's try to fly level. 0 degrees. Oh, you want to go back to 10,000 feet first, is it? Okay, so if you hover this little circle over at this line, can you see that height is actually very stabilized?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you fly straight and level. Okay, what I want you to do is try to hit 10,000 feet, airspeed 400 knots. Okay, height 10,000, so you need to nose down a little bit, right? Maybe go to 2 degrees nose down.
Down.
Yep. Okay, and hold it there. Okay, you can see that the rate of descent is very suitable for you. Okay, so as it gets closer to 10,000 feet, I want you slowly to pull up to the horizon. Okay, when it's 100, okay, you can start pulling up now. Okay, so you need to know the anticipation. The rate of descent is actually determined by how deep you put your nose down or the altitude that you select. Okay, now let's try to make a left turn back towards the city, heading 100.